pack the bags. We're going on a road trip, just you and I all weekend to have a good time. Well, there's a full tank of gasoline and our favorite playlist full of hits. So let's push play, put it in drive and road trip. Well, there's nothing better than 48 hours, wide lines and what's ahead. The perfect sidekick, my co-pilot.